Having problems with your HVAC or commercial restaurant equipment? Do you need new equipment installed or maintained? There's one team to call who does it all. A team that's quick to respond, knowledgeable, and friendly. Experts who understand your building systems and know how to keep them running at peak performance. A team that equips you with the training you need so you feel like the expert. A capable team ready to tackle any challenge, no matter how tall the task. This team is on your team. Your team is River City Northwest Mechanical.